How you guys doing? Well, haven't made a video in a while. Nothing's been really going on and too much work. I got a new job full time and everything else. Hang on, boy, story. Well, I got a couple chainsaws here. Wanted to show you guys. Got this Sears old Craftsman. It's an oldie. Runs and everything else. Here's all the parts for the carburetor. I'm waiting for a carburetor rebuild kit. And here's the carb. So, either way, this saw ran. It just gave it gas. It wanted to shut off. Or gave it gas, ran fine, but as soon as you start hitting wood, it shuts off. So I thought, you know what, older it is, clean the carb, call it a day, maybe change out the magneto, I'm not sure. That's what that is. It's an old Homelite, or not Homelite, Husqvarna 340. Basically a part saw. I got it for the spikes that was on it. The Craftsman's leaking fuel. We also got the Mac 3516. This one runs pretty darn good. 16-inch bar, of course. Just got these spikes for it. They're welded on. Made some tabs. Basically making it work. Got another Homelite. 118 or 180 classic. 14 bar. Oiler, automatic oiler. Oh yeah, happy dory, bells and whistles and whatnot. I like this saw. Cut down an entire tree with this saw. Pretty good. Got the 18-inch bar. .42cc Homelite, 18 bar. This saw runs pretty nice. I bought it for $40, and I put another 40 in it. So basically, I got an $80 saw, but the cylinder and everything else look brand new. Also got a 33cc Homelite, 16-inch bar. Had a little trouble with this one. New Poland bar, Poland, whatever you want to call it. Factory spikes already installed on this one. This one runs pretty good. This one probably it was freaking brand new basically, and I think the reason the guy stopped using it, the one of the bolts for the cylinder for the carburetor was snapped off inside the head. Me and the neighbor thankfully helped me get it drilled out, tapped out. That's running. Also got to set up spikes on the 18-inch 42cc. Also got this old Craftsman. This one's running. This one's ready to go. I think it's 16 or 14. That's a Craftsman 2.0 14. Saw runs pretty nice. I mean, it's just hard to get started. Once you get it started, it runs great. But it's just hard to get started. But this is another 33cc. This one runs, fires, and all that happy dory stuff. I was going to get the head off of this one and put on the other one that had the cracked head or the bolt snapped off, but got tapped out. So this is basically a spare for tanks, magneto, flywheel, the cylinder head if it does go again. But this one runs. This one runs alright. Got another part saw for that small Homelite. Fuel tank neck is snapped off, but the oiler neck is fine. You also got a spare saw, part saw for that Craftsman 2.0 14. But this is a 2.1A. But the carburetors are the same. But yeah, it's a pretty good, decent saw. The cylinder, the piston is seized, locked up in this one. That's why it's not going. So I figure, worst case scenario, I like the style of this one. I'll just take the parts off of the other Craftsman there and put on that one. But let's get some saws running. Shut this down. We'll go with the Mac 35. I don't have a trigger lock, so it's just the way it is. Brakes brake is broken. I had to idle up a little bit so I can get it started since trigger lock's not working. Let's go with the small home light. This one hasn't started in over 2 days now. This one does have a trigger lock. No prime bulb. Small 18. Oh. Now let's go with the 42cc 18 bar. Ignition on, choke out, prime. After that one warms up, it gets rid of the hesitation when you give it gas. So this one had that cracked bolt inside the cylinder head. It's been repaired now. So everything's running, ready to go. I'm not going to bother with that small Craftsman. That's too hard to start. Figure out what's wrong with it, what's going on with it. But that's it. I'm not even going to bother with that one. That's just a part saw. But it does start and run, just like that. Oh, the 33 there. But that's the new saws, or the collection now. I got the 33, the 35 Mac, and the 2 Craftsmans. I paid like $80 for all 4 of those. Paid, I think, 5 or 15 or 10, something like that. I got it from an Amish guy around my area. For that saw for parts. But that's the story on all of them. I only paid, I think, $25 for this old Craftsman too. So whatever the crap it is. And this Husqvarna gave to me for the spikes, that's all. But everything's running, ready to go. That's the saws, and well, that's about it. Next time I'll make sure I get a video of them actually cutting some wood. Right now it's pouring down rain. It's extremely wet, so I'm not even going to bother. So y'all have a good day. I'll talk to you guys later on. Thank you.